Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the best 1428 bolt thread checker, a must-have tool for anyone working with nuts and bolts. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is about to make your life a lot easier. Let's dive right into why this is one of the best choices out there. The 1428 nut and bolt thread checker is an accurate and reliable tool for quickly identifying the size of nuts and bolts. It's made with a premium aluminum construction, specifically the aluminum 6061, which provides both durability and long-lasting resilience. This material is known for its strength, making the thread checker highly resistant to wear and breakage. The bolt itself is made from SUS 304 stainless steel, another high-strength material that ensures you won't have to worry about it cracking or bending. This thread checker is designed for convenience. It's laser engraved with precision measurements, so the numbers will never wear off, even with frequent use. The tool allows you to easily check 28 different sizes, covering both metric and imperial measurements. For metric, you get sizes ranging from M4 by 0.7 all the way to M14 by 2.0. On the imperial side, it includes sizes from number 6 to 32 coarse to 1, 2 to 20 fine. This makes it a versatile tool that can handle almost all standard hardware. The tool is incredibly easy to use. Simply line up your bolt or nut with the corresponding size on the thread checker. The precision laser markings ensure you get an accurate match every time. It even includes rulers in both centimeters and inches, with measurements up to 15 centimeters or 6 inches. These added rulers make it even easier to measure the length of the bolt or nut you're working with, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to work with both metric and standard systems, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. The size markers are clearly labeled, so even if you're new to using a thread checker, you won't have any trouble figuring it out. It's the kind of tool that makes those frustrating moments of trying to find the right bolt size a thing of the past. The design is also worth mentioning. The tool is compact and lightweight, so it's easy to store and carry around in your toolbox. And because it's made from high-quality materials, it won't rust or corrode over time, ensuring it remains in great condition for years of use. To top it all off, the 1428 nut and bolt thread checker comes with a warranty. If you have any issues with the product, the customer support team is ready to help and resolve your concerns promptly. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and long-lasting thread checker, the 1428 nut and bolt thread checker is a solid choice. It's a game-changer for anyone who frequently works with nuts and bolts, and its versatility across different measurement systems makes it a tool you'll use time and time again. Thanks for watching this review. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you next time.